Good afternoon. I'm Ann McEnerny-Ogle, Mayor for the City of Vancouver, and today is Tuesday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. Thank you to Alex and Abel, our American Sign Language interpreters. On Friday, Governor Inslee extended the state's current stay-home order through May 31st and discussed a 4-phase plan to guide the reopening of businesses and activities in Washington. The idea is to have 3 weeks between each of the phases so that health officials can monitor the number of coronavirus cases as businesses and activities reopen, allowing for time to evaluate whether it's safe to move to the next phase. I'd like to give you an overview of what is outlined in the governor's reopening plan and when we can expect various businesses and activities to open based on best case scenarios. This is an interesting timetable. If the virus cases continue to decline and we don't see any infection increases, then things will move forward. Phase 1 begins today, May 5th. Here are the sectors that can start reopening. Some outdoor recreation such as hunting, fishing, golf, boating, hiking, but note that camping is still not allowed and state campsites remained closed. Drive-in spiritual services are allowed, essential travel, essential businesses, existing construction projects can continue, landscaping, and then boat, RV, and car sales along with car repairs can be open. Retail with curbside pickups, car washes, and pet walkers, you are free to open. And I'd like to add a reminder that hospitals and healthcare providers are allowed to resume non-urgent medical procedures. We've heard from some individuals that they are afraid to go to the hospital for heart attacks and severe injuries. It is open. Healthcare providers and hospitals are allowed to take care of those medical procedures. Please contact your healthcare provider. In phase 2, the earliest expected date based on current data that we can expect phase 2 to start is June 1. What will be allowed? Well, there is the opportunity for pet grooming to start, and then all outdoor recreation involving fewer than 5 individuals outside of your household. Notice that camping and the beaches are expected to reopen after June 1. Gatherings of no more than 5 people outside your household. Limited non-essential travel within the proximity of your home. All remaining manufacturing businesses. And then new construction. In-home and domestic services such as nannies and house cleaning, in-store retail, real estate, office-based businesses, barbers, hair salons, and nail salons may open, restaurants, but notice that the restaurants must operate at under 50% capacity, and the table size are capped at parties of 5. All of that is in phase 2. Phase 3 could start around June 22nd. For June 22nd, this is up to 50 people on outdoor group recreational sports, recreational facilities such as public pools operating at less than 50% capacity, all gatherings capped at 50 people, non-essential travel can resume, restaurants can operate at up to 75% capacity with table sizes capped at parties of 10. Bars at under 25% capacity. Indoor gyms, again, under 50% capacity, along with movie theaters at the same. It's in phase 3, after June 22nd, that government offices can reopen, but telework remains strongly encouraged. Libraries, museums, and all other businesses other than nightclubs and events with more than 50 people. All of those fall under phase 3, June 22nd. The final phase, phase 4, can start July 13. At this time, on July 13, it would be allowed for public interactions to be resumed with physical distancing. All recreational activities can resume, nightclubs, concerts, and large sporting events, July 13th. The governor's office said they'll be looking at the data all through the months to make sure that we're on track for each subsequent phase to be able to happen. The reopening plan is good news and something that everyone has been waiting for, and we're all eagerly looking forward to seeing our businesses open and all of our residents getting back to work and those social activities resuming. So we're looking forward to seeing the businesses outlined in phase 1 reopen here in the city. And please remember how important it is that all of us continue to maintain physical distancing and good hygiene habits in order to ensure that Vancouver can reopen in accordance to all of those phases and timelines outlined in the governor's plan. Please continue to take good care of yourself. Call a friend, call a family member, call one of your loved ones. Take good care.